How to increase dispatcher efficiency. Effective dispatching depends on the ability to respond to clear, detailed data. By optimizing routes, dispatchers can save an average of nearly an hour per 10-stop route by automating the process and eliminating routing-related phone calls. Additionally, if dispatchers are unaware of situations in real time, such as traffic backups and areas where drivers need to be aware of no-phone zone laws, dispatchers have no way to respond appropriately. Navman Wireless solutions identify vehicles, route them effectively, and can even send the nearest vehicle to the destination, saving time, fuel, and money. Let's look at how Navman Wireless solution works. After logging into the online AVL2 main page by entering their username and password, dispatchers simply click the Send Message icon at the top of the screen. In this example, the dispatcher is sending a message directly to a driver, inquiring when that driver will arrive on site. The dispatcher hits Send after completing the message. The message will then appear on the driver's MNAV unit inside his or her vehicle, along with the time the message was received. The driver can then read and send a response back to the dispatcher. The dispatcher is then notified that a message is waiting and clicks on the message to see that the driver will arrive on site in 10 minutes. A copy of the conversation is saved in the thread shown in the message view area. Online AVL2 makes it easy for dispatchers to locate addresses quickly and then share them with drivers, as well as send their nearest drivers to specific addresses. In this example, the dispatcher clicks on Address Search in the upper right of the page, types in a street name, place, or postal code, and generates the search result. The destination is then selected by right-clicking on it. By clicking Show, an aerial map will appear on the right. The dispatcher can then provide turn-by-turn directions to the driver by selecting the destination and then clicking Route to. After verifying the correct address, the dispatcher types specific instructions regarding the destination for the driver and clicks Send. When the driver receives the message, a pop-up window previews its contents. Clicking Read will display the full message, while clicking Go will launch turn-by-turn directions that the driver can use to arrive at the destination most efficiently. Let's conduct another address search. By right-clicking on the aerial map, the dispatcher can select Show Nearest to identify which vehicles and vehicle types are nearest to the customer's location within the distance radius specified. Upon selecting the vehicle of choice, the dispatcher can easily find the vehicle's location on the map and prepare to dispatch the driver. In this example, it appears that there is no current activity with the selected driver, an indication that the driver may have completed the last assignment and is available. By clicking on the messaging center, the dispatcher can see that the driver has sent a recent message, asking the dispatcher for a new job. The dispatcher can then reply to the driver with job details and instructions. The message is automatically saved in the dispatcher's log. The driver then receives the message, replies, and heads to the new destination. Thanks to online AVL2, dispatchers can communicate more effectively with their fleets, allocate resources in real time, and pinpoint specific destinations and vehicle locations without relying on expensive smartphones or consumer-grade navigation systems.